If you want to promote organic fertilizer through these steps, you can effectively promote and sell organic fertilizers and continue to expand your market influence, covering a variety of channels and strategies for organic fertilizer sale. We can start from the following aspects. Here are some structured suggestions. First, consider selling directly to target customers. Go to traditional offline channels. Visit local farms and outlets. Collaborating with large growers. Launch demonstration projects. Communicate directly with large growers and visit them. Understand their specific needs. Then provide suitable fertilizer solutions. Provide technical support and training. Offer volume discounts or long-term cooperation agreements. Offer price concessions to large growers. Unlocking a long-term partnership. In addition, collaborate with agricultural service companies or other agricultural stores. You can do it through their sales channel. Expand your product distribution range. In addition to that, cooperation and invited tenders. Sometimes a lot of organic fertilizer is required for large agricultural projects, such as high-standard farmland transformation. Participating in government-invited tenders can get stable large orders, but it needs to meet its strict quality and environmental requirements. Attend agricultural exhibitions and expositions. That's a good strategy. Set up booths at these events. Products can be displayed directly. Face-to-face communication with potential customers. Finally, in the digital age, online sales platforms are essential online channels. Specialized agricultural materials platform, like Chat Agricultural Materials Network. This platform focuses on agricultural supplies, able to attract professional buyers. Opening an online store is also a good idea. You can track online sales, social media, and other online tools. It's a propaganda tool. And don't forget to use WeChat, Douyin, and other social media to promote. These platforms can help you reach more potential customers through these channels. Organic fertilizer and organize your own resources and market strategies. Select the appropriate channel for sales. Enhance market competitiveness. I hope this suggestion can help you promote organic fertilizer.